This is a voicemail from my shitty car insurance company when my car got totaled because someone ran a red. They refused to pay for all the costs, so I had absolutely nothing. I barely got any money out of it, but what I did get was this gem of a voicemail.
Hello, this is Kathy Wilson with the Insurance. I was calling because regarding your claim on February 12th. We received the estimate. Just wanted to follow up with you and see how you wanted to proceed. If you're going ahead with the repairs of the shop, but it looks like we will be able to waive your deductible for you. So if you could give Jennifer a call at 800-887-1550. Extension is 2427. All right, and refer to your claim number, CAPA 00187-871. Thank you.